In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily permanently delete messages on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Messages application. After that, if we want to delete some conversation, we can just swipe to the left, tap at trash icon, and then tap at delete. However, basically the conversation is not permanently deleted now, because it is moved to recently deleted. If you would like to delete messages immediately and permanently, you need to tap at edit, then show recently deleted. That's where you can find all the conversation you have deleted within 30 days. As you can see right here, it says 30 days. It means that this conversation will be stored here for 30 days, and after that it will be deleted automatically. If you want to immediately delete the conversation, just select it. You can select multiple conversations at the same time, and after that just tap at delete and then delete again to confirm the deletion. That's how you can easily permanently delete messages on your iPhone.